Yup, 9D, Dub G. Just thought I'd make a little smoking song, you know. Look. Off the top, I'm buck wild. 9D, we smoke loud. Round town, holding it down. Tin the window so you can't see me. I'm tatted up, so everywhere I go, people be like, boys, you crazy. I don't give a fuck though, blow and don't smoke. In their face telling this shit confidential and I ain't playing. Man, I'm trying to make it. Came out the basement, me and Slick, we wrestled. Can't get a deal cause these fakes are best us. Stacking bread, man, fucking necklace. Hold my own 9D, Nate D, DBP, J.E. Slick, Mikey P. J Rock, Lil Haste in my row. I wouldn't fuck with him, bro. Make your girl an info. D-U-B-Z up the chain with this rap thing. Swag game like Fresh Prince, my last name. Friends come and go like it's a relay. Gotta keep the heat like a fireplace. I'm 100 in this bitch where my smoke is at. Whether you grow the shit or you hit the trap. Let's roll it, light it, smoke it. I told you I've been focused, ho. Rolling up, beef on my shows. I hit the stage and make the crowd float. Spit ammunition, make you haters envision me. Slick, independent, making bread in the industry. Pocket so fat, chains looking like centipedes. Damn, I just hope you remember me, man. Yo, tell me what you think. Hit me up. 9D. Get it.